Alex, an unfortunate child, had many problems. And I don't want to go into the nature of them all now, but suffice it to say she had numerous psychological and psychiatric problems, including threats of self-mutilation, suicidal ideation, running away, bad hygiene, attacking people, and so on and so forth. There is, in Connecticut, as most people are not aware, no general child welfare agency. DCF is a child protection agency. If I say that a child has been abused or neglected, DCF gets involved in that. If you call and say, my child needs psychological care, psychiatric help, dental care, more clothes for school, things I can't afford, there is no general child welfare agency. There are many different state and town agencies, but no general one. However, DCF does have something called voluntary services. Gina had written to Governor Rowland saying, I need help from my daughter Alex. I can't afford her medical bills. She claimed the father didn't pay his child support, so the governor's office told her to call DCF for voluntary services. And that's how Gina got involved with DCF. They can place you in a group home. They can give you various psychological services, which is exactly what they did. The thing to understand is that voluntary services is exactly that, voluntary. DCF doesn't have to accept the case. And if they do accept the case, they say you have to cooperate with them, which is reasonable. The problem is cooperation with DCF means different things to different people. I said at the start, Gina contacted me May 15th, 2005, asking if I could help her. And I said, what's the problem? And she said, the problem is Alex has been in and out of residential facilities and psychiatric hospitals. She keeps running away. Everybody tries to do something, but essentially nothing was working. That was the problem in a nutshell. Nothing they did for Alex was working. It's not a criticism, it just simply wasn't working. After all, she was running away, she's getting in trouble, she's cutting herself, she's attacking other people. I mean, this is the kind of person who's going to end up dead or in prison. If Gina were a multimillionaire, she would have sent her to a facility in Switzerland and they would have taken care of her. I think it's fair to say, as far as my suggestion that Alex be involuntarily committed to a secure facility, in other words, locked up in an institution, what we used to call an asylum, for her own good, nobody came out and disagreed with that. They just weren't enthusiastic about it. The next thing, April 30th, 2007, I'm watching TV, and I hear there was a girl murdered in one of these shelters in Hartford, and the name is Alexandria Desmond. I couldn't believe it.